Hey beautiful Rolling Out family, it's your girl Chelsea Faulkner and welcome back to the Beauty Beats. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be reviewing a viral favorite, the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filler Foundation. This product has been everywhere lately and it claims to give you that radiant, filtered glow without the high price tag. So let's see if it lives up to that hype, especially for the darker skin girls. So this foundation is supposed to be a dupe for a certain high-end glowing foundation, wink wink, but for a fraction of that price. It promises a lightweight glow, but doesn't work for deeper skin tones and different undertones. We're about to find out. This foundation is super affordable. It's around $14, which is a steal compared to the high-end alternatives. You can find it online in stores at Target, Ulta, and on the e.l.f. website. All right, so let's get into the application. I'm going to be showcasing shade 6 Tan Deep, which is actually the foundation shade that I'm wearing today. Here we go. It's super, super creamy. It has this dough foot applicator, which makes it super easy to apply directly onto your skin. It's going to blend it out a little so you can see. And it's just beautiful. Like, it definitely has a sheen to it, a beautiful like kind of glow. I'm a tad bit obsessed, I will say. So as you can see, there's definitely a difference. You can see where I applied and then obviously where there is no foundation. It just has like this radiant, even, still natural, dewy skin look. I think it's a great option for those no makeup looks or a light makeup look like I'm wearing today. If you want, you can definitely layer it and get a little bit more of a full beat, but you don't have to. It's definitely a buildable coverage, so you can still do, you know, one application, a couple of dots here and there for some dark spots that you want to cover up and get, you know, this beautiful finish. So first off, this foundation, it gives a gorgeous lit from within glow, definitely deep girl friendly, shades range all the way, you know, deep, dark. They definitely didn't skimp on their shade range, which we love to see in brands these days. Sometimes glow products kind of make our skin look a bit the opposite, dull, a little bit on the gray side. But the undertones of this one are definitely on point. This one is a neutral, but they do have cool and warm tone foundation, so you'll be able to find an undertone that matches you. Now, if you're looking for super duper full coverage, this might not be the girl for you. It is buildable and you are able to do a full face of makeup with it. But if you're looking for that full coverage, you are gonna have to layer it with a concealer. Also, if you have oily skin, you may want to also set this with powder. Setting it with powder isn't necessarily going to get rid of the dewy finish. It's just going to make sure that your makeup stays in place. After you do the powder, just apply a little bit of a luminous or dewy setting spray, and you'll come right back to the glow. It'll be like it never left, but you definitely want to make sure, if you, especially if you have oily skin, that you are setting your makeup after you're applying it. Okay, so this foundation is being compared to Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Flawless Filler, which is more than triple the price. Their shade range is not there, in my personal opinion. And honestly, I think that e.l.f. really nailed it with this dupe. It gives a very similar glow and finish without breaking the bank, and they have a lot of brown and deep tone friendly shades available. Compared to other drugstore foundations, I'd have to say the e.l.f. feels a little bit more hydrating. The undertones are giving what they're supposed to give, and the shade range is, you know, it's just really amazing, and we're so happy to see it. All in all, I would definitely say that the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filler is a win in my book and in the Rolling Out family's book. It gives, you know, a beautiful radiant glow. It's perfect for those looking for a natural dewy makeup finish who don't want to break the bank doing so. I definitely am going to be giving this foundation a 9 out of 10. The glow is real, the price is right, and the inclusivity is on point. So yes, I will definitely purchase this again. Have any of you guys tried the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filler yet? What do you think? How does it hold up for my oily skin sisters and brothers? Like, let me know in the comments, let me know on our social media platforms. Don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe for more beauty news and reviews. Also follow at Rolling Out and at Rolling Out Beauty on our social media platforms, and myself, Creative Pro Chels, that's creative with a K. Thanks so much for watching. Stay glowing, stay fabulous, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.